job. Good job. Ow. Ooh, ow.
It smells like race fuel.
It's dusty. Got the bike running kind of good.
All because of me.
We went down to a 90 on the jet, on the main. Got a new coil. Hey, let's practice. I want you to stand up. Okay, stand up going into the corner, and then at that cone, sit down.
I already know.
And then at that one over there too. At both of them, okay? Stand, sit down. Stand up, break, standing. There you go, good job. Stand, good job, good job. Good job. Oh, good. It's so dry. So dry. Stand. Good job, dude. Hey, and I seen you kept going. So you come in and you're standing up and then you sit down. What I'm really impressed with is you're coming down here. You're coming down the straightaway and you're standing up. You're standing up and you're braking at the same time. You're easing on that brake while you're standing up. And then once you get to this cone, you sit down and you take off. Okay? And keep them toes on the bike, right? Keep them toes on the bike. Hold that side. Hold that side. Let me show you. Keep them on the bike, pointed in, okay? You want to grab the bike with your ankle. You feel that?
Yeah.
When you're squeezing it right there with them fenders. That's what you want, okay? Hey. So, you want to do a different drill? Okay, do some laps, but every time you get out of that corner, I want you to stand up all the way until you hit this cone right here, okay? Think you can do that?
I think so.
All right, keep them elbows up. He's trying to do a whole lap standing up. Yeah! Just like that. Good job. Just like that. That was perfect. You come in here, you're standing up, and your butt is back here, and you're braking. You're braking, and your butt, your butt, yeah. And your toes are in, and you're braking like that. And your butt, see, your butt's back here. You know what I mean?
So you have to be like this.
Yeah. And you squeeze with that knee. That's why you got them knee pads on. Right?
This is
Just to be a safer rider, right?
This is about to be vroom vroom.
We're not going to Loretta's. We're just having fun riding, right?
Yeah, we are. Number 1.
That was clean. Yeah!
I kept my...
That was a good one too.
I kept...
Your elbows up.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to try one more thing tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to move that cone, and I want you to stop at me with the cone.
Okay.
With your front brake only. Front brake only.
Oh.
Okay, hey. So when you squeeze it, just because you squeeze it hard and you're going to go flying on the ground. So you got to squeeze it very easy, okay?
Like that?
Yeah, just barely squeeze it, okay? This is your stop sign, and you got to stop before the line at the cone with your front brake only. Think you?
Stop on the line.
Yeah, stop at the cone with your front brake only.
Okay.
You think you can do that?
Oh, I can do it easy.
Oh, you think so? We've never... He's never used the front brake before, ever. So let's see what happens. Never used the front brake. Okay, let's see what happens. Front brake! Hey, were you using it? Were you using it? That was good. That was really good. You've never used it before. Good job. Hey, let's do it again. Hey, only use your front brake the next time. I seen your foot on there. That was good though. Good job. Go. Okay, go. Do it one more time. Let's see if he's gonna use that rear brake. Perfect. Hey, I know you did that time because your front end was going down. That was a good job. Perfect. Hey, you want to throw a 1-footer? Let's see it. All right.
How's that one better?
That one was good.
I did a whip on that.
Yeah, that one, you didn't do too big of a 1-footer, but you did a nice little whip.
And I did a 1-footer.
Yeah.
It was cool.
How's the bike running?
Good.
Is it a lot better? Okay. I'm going to follow you on the pit bike a couple laps. Then we're going to go up and down the road a couple times just to make sure. I want to make sure that it doesn't stutter on when you're full throttle. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Okay. Let me... Let's do one lap. Hey. I smoked you.
How'd you get the bumper sticker?
Hey, if you're done, you need to take it up to the garage. What are you smiling about?
I heard.
Yeah, that was me. Hey, make sure you put your goggles in the bag. Look.
Full video?
Fat old people. Yeah. So what'd you think about all those grills?
They were pretty good.
You look sweaty, bro. Oh, let me see your nose. Look, that's from all my dust.
Yeah, right. Oh my.
Good. Hey, but what do you got?
What?
What kind of necklace is that?
I don't know.
Let me see.
But it matches.
Did Uncle Jody give you this?
Matches that.
Let's go. All right, guys, we got to put this together. It's electric dirt bike.
What together?
The electric one. All right.
Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.
What was that?
Shop rate this. Like, comment, subscribe.
I'm done.
I know. Like, comment, and subscribe.
down below.
Yeah! Come on!